Good morning, everyone, and I cordially invite all the respected media members and the esteemed guests who have been came from this press meet for organizing or for launching the No Tobacco Day of 1 month of campaign from May the 1st to May 31st of 2026. Thank you for this. And I just want to say a few words on this. On this day of No Tobacco Day, I really highlight the things on the awareness of the campaign of no tobacco and also the risk factors of using tobacco in our daily lives, and also encouraging the youth for not taking into this particular things. So I request this awareness campaign of 1 month, which Dr. Rao's Dental Oral Health Foundation and Dr. Rao's Charitable Trust is organizing for this, and it's been for more than 30 plus years they have been organizing. I really congratulate the founder members and the chairperson of Dr. O. Nageshwara Garu, as well as the coordinator of this, Kusuma Bogaraj Garni. We congratulated. And I just invite the distinguished guests onto the stage right now. The first thing, I request the chairperson of Dr. O.N. Rao Charitable Trust and Dr. Rao's Oral Health Foundation member, chairman, and also founder, Dr. O. Nageshwara Garni, to be on the stage. Please occupy the dais. And I request Monica to give the bouquet. Today's chief guest for the press meet, I request Sri Vemuganti Garu, the director of Vanajeevi Ramaya film, and he has a Gaddar Awardee also. So I request Vemuganti Garu to be on the stage and have occupied the seat. Sir, we cordially invite you on the stage, sir. Photo house. Today's guest of honor, yes, ma'am. Thank you. Gaddar Awardee, sir, please kindly occupy the chair.